Nursery cartoon love journey with Hooram.
In the bustling court where aromas rise, 5 ducks waddle forth beneath bright skies. With quacks of laughter and feathers aglow, they weave through the tables a lively show. One seeks the fries with a crispy crunch, another eyes pizza, oh what a lunch. While one splashes soda with jubilant flair, the last dreams of puddles without any care. They dance on the tiles, the shoppers glide past, a symphony woven from moments amassed. With each little quack and each playful dive in this food court realm, they feel so alive. But a shadow stretch long in daylight will fade, their joyous parade begins to cascade. For life's fleeting moments are sweet yet so brief, an echo of laughter entwined with belief. Yet hope lingers softly like salt on the breeze as the ducks gather close neath the swaying trees. They share tales of crumbs and adventures anew, where friendships can flourish in all that they do. So here in this haven where flavors collide, 5 ducks find their joy in the world's bustling tide, with hearts full of wonder and spirits set free. Together they wander on winds of esprit, and though soon they'll depart from this place full of cheer, their memories linger etched crystal clear. In every soft quack lies a story untold of 5 brave companions who dared to be bold.
And then he said, I don't know which one. That is the funniest thing I've heard all week. My beak hurts from laughing so much.
Nursery cartoon love journey with Hooram.